Hi, my name is Shayna from WTI.
So you can finally say goodbye to the old way of inflating your paddleboard from your car and hello to the portable electric pump. You get everything that you need to inflate your SUP on the go, including the pump itself, valve adapters, C charger and plug, a manual, and a waterproof bag. The waterproof bag really comes in handy if you forgot yours. I love that this portable pump is no muss, no fuss to use and to operate. This portable electric pump may be compact, but don't let its size fool you. It packs a mighty punch. It can inflate your SUP in less than 5 minutes. And if you think it inflates fast, wait until you see how fast it deflates. I honestly hadn't used my SUP in a long time until this portable air pump came along. Now I spend less time waiting for my SUP to inflate and more time in the water, and I hope you will too.
And that's my point of view.